Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster tail in the oven. First, ensure your lobster tails are fully thawed if frozen. Next, take kitchen shears and carefully cut down the center of the top shell from the base to the tail fan. Then, gently separate the shell and pull the raw lobster meat upwards, resting it on top of the shell. This butterfly cut ensures even cooking and a beautiful presentation. Once butterflied, brush the exposed lobster meat with melted butter, garlic, and your favorite seasonings like paprika or a pinch of salt and pepper. Place the prepared lobster tails, meat side up, onto a baking sheet. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature helps cook the lobster quickly and keeps it tender. Bake the lobster tails in the preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes. The exact time depends on the size of your tails. Smaller ones cook faster. You'll know they're done when the meat turns opaque and firm, no longer translucent. For perfect doneness, aim for an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Overcooking can make the lobster tough. Once baked to perfection, remove the lobster tails from the oven and serve them immediately. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a side of warm melted butter are classic accompaniments. Garnish with some fresh parsley for a touch of color and extra aroma. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.